pala tayo ng macaroni boko fruit salad. Mix na yan, guys. Mix na yan. Boko salad, fruit salad, and macaroni. Pinalalamig ko pa yung macaroni, guys. Aking macaroni, cheese salad, buko salad, fruit salad. And here we go. Ayan pala yung macaroni ko, guys. Ilagay ko. Aking macaroni, and cheese, and fruit salad, and buko. 4-in-1 na ho sila. Let's eat. Mikos-mikos na ho natin ang ating 4-in-1. Macaroni, cheese salad, and fruit salad, and buko. Mikos-mikos. Din tapos. Ay yung akong 4-in-1 fruit salad, and buko salad, and cheese salad, and macaroni salad. 4-in-1 yan, guys. Ayan lang ang simple ng aking let's eat na. Okay na yan.